the most strangest tech you can buy on the internet that makes fun easy. Hi, and welcome to another exciting video. The video is all about some of the amazing cool gadgets that you never knew existed. With the ever-growing technology advancements and shows like Sharks, many entrepreneurs are able to introduce cool gadgets and tech tools to the market. These gadgets are unbelievably able in online stores and are cheaper than you thought. Watch the complete video, and the smart gadgets the online stores hold will take you aback. Here are 17 gadgets that are fun to use and extremely useful. But before we jump in, make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch till the end. I am sure this video will be an awakening call for your creative side. 17. Belty Good Vibes. If you are a fitness freak, then this is the gadget of your dreams. This is a waist-worn fitness tracker embedded in the leather. It connects to a companion app and vibrates when it detects you sitting for an extended period of time. Not standing up straight, drinking insufficient water, and so on. You can be conscious about your fitness throughout the day. This looks like the next best thing for fitness freaks. 16. Furbo. If you are a pet owner and think about them while at work, you must be worried if they ate, or if they are waiting for you to come home and feed them. This is Furbo. It will allow you to feed your pets while at work. Does it sound magical? Along with monitoring your dogs, it allows you to shoot treats through it. It has a two-way radio that ostensibly allows you to communicate with your pet and sends notifications when it detects barking. It's basically a Nest Cam for dogs. 15. Selfie Toaster. You must have come across the Bob Ross toaster. Well, this is a notch higher. This is a selfie toaster. If you want your spouse to think about you the whole day, make him or her some selfie toasts in the morning, and bet you they won't get over what they had in the morning. The gadget does not connect with any app. Instead, it has a black and white way of working. The gadget works by slipping in the custom grill made by the company, having the picture of the customer. 14. Thync Vibe. Can you imagine anything else taking the place of coffee in your life? Think again, because this gadget is supposed to replace tea and coffee in your daily life. Consider wearing a tiny device that can either energize or calm you down in a matter of minutes. That's the promise of Thync Vibe, which the company claims can change your mood by sending low-level electrical pulses to your brain via nerve stimulation on your head and neck through an accompanying app. The wearer controls these pulses, which Thync refers to as vibes. 13. Mood Matric. You must have heard of mood rings, but this is a step ahead. It is a ring-shaped gadget that can detect the mood of the wearer. Mood Matric analyzes nervous system signals to provide information about the wearer's mental state. The ring connects to a smartphone app that, according to the company, can show how intense a person's emotions are in real time. But one thing bothers me. Why would someone need to know their own emotional state? 12. Solo Wheel. You can call it a distant cousin of the hoverboard. It is like a hoverboard, but much cooler. It is like the motorcycle that people would ride in the past. It is supposed to be running at a speed of 24 kilometers per hour. This also ensures complete safety and balance. It can be used by teens, college kids, and so on. The Solo Wheel is battery powered. You can charge it and you are good to go. 11. Flosstime. If you forget to floss most of the time, then you need to get Flosstime. The gadget is supposed to be mounted on your mirror. It will churn out 18 inches of floss when tapped. This is to remind you every time you brush your teeth. The idea is to get you in the habit of flossing. That seems pretty much practical, since whenever you visit your bathroom, the floss monster will be staring at you. 10. Electric Jar Opener. Yes, you heard that right. There is a gadget that can open the jars without making you ask someone to open them for you. All you have to do is buy the electric jar opener, place it on the jar, and press the button. Then the opener does its magic. The electric jar opener will twist and open the jar for you. Isn't it amazing? 9. Pixar-inspired popcorn machine. Forget about buying popcorn when you make it at home. Or wherever, should I say. Simply add oil and kernels and the Pixar stir popper takes care of the rest. The base will begin to heat and the stir rod will rotate, evenly stirring and coating the kernels during popping. with the flip of a switch. 8. Motion-activated toilet light. You must be like, what the what? Yes, you heard it right. It is a motion-activated toilet light, and it does as the name says. It is supposed to be helpful during nighttime, when the ambient brightness is low and motion is detected in the coverage area. The light will turn on. You will not have to turn on the light of your bathroom when the toilet is blooming itself. This is not enough. The light also changes colors. For the price it is offered, it sure is worth it. 7. Automatic pan stirrer. This is a dream come true for our lazy chefs out there. Now you don't have to stir your curry to prevent it from burning. The automatic pan stirrer is here to save the day for you. Set it in your pan with any simmering or low heat liquid, set the timer, and go about your business. Now you can make the perfect recipes without working your arms too much. 6. Cordless neck and back massager. If you are tired and want someone to give you that magical touch, the cordless neck and back massager has got you covered. It has 2 big nodes and 6 small nodes. The massager adopts the simulation of human hands and relieves muscle soreness effectively. You will love it. 5. Self-watering planter. This self-watering planter is going to solve your planting issues. Now you can water your plants even if you forgot. LED grow lights that are energy efficient ensure that your plants thrive regardless of the weather. Simply insert the included plant pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug in the self-watering planter to get your herb garden started. 4. Bose's frames. Bose's audio sunglasses allow users to listen to music, podcasts, and other media without using headphones. The frames include speakers and an integrated microphone, allowing you to listen to audio and make phone calls while shielding your eyes from UV rays. Yes, the audio is loud, but the design prevents it from reaching others. 3. Crock-Pot food warmer. If you wait in line at work to warm your lunch at the office, you need to buy the Crock-Pot food warmer. Crock Food Pots Warmer eliminates the need to microwave. Simply plug it in and the 20-ounce container will start heating up and warming your food. It even has a handle for convenience. Think about the feasibility this gadget is giving you. You might be able to cook something in the office like Miss Yeah. 2. French press travel mug. Have no time for coffee? Gonna stop at Starbucks? Well, this is a game changer for you. With this French press travel mug, you can get out the door on time without sacrificing the flavor of your coffee. Instead of waiting for a brew, this mug can make freshly pressed coffee in minutes. Simply add coarsely ground beans and hot water and close the lid. 1. Phonesoap UV Sanitizer. Did you know that your phone is dirtier than the public toilets? The UV rays contained within the phone soap kill 99.99% of germs and bacteria, providing better sanitation than a wipe. Phone soap can also be used to clean keys and AirPods, and it also functions as a phone charger. So that's about it for now. I hope you enjoyed it from start to finish. Remember to share these videos with your fellow money enthusiasts and family members. Please leave your valuable comments in the section below. Subscribe to the channel to be eligible for the $100 monthly raffle draw. In addition, we have a surprise for our subscribers that will brighten your day. Take good care of yourself until the next time. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.